Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the TQQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions by giving our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, a try at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.32. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.4% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy 22 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.84% since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently situated within a wide and strong rising trend. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders as we may see a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the price breaks the top trend line at $45.30, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential 10.19% change. This means there is a possibility of a return ranging from -16.45% to 16.13%. For the 12-month trend, we can expect an 84.1% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 43.62% and 140.62%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $61.73 to $103.42 after 1 year. In our latest update for TQQQ, we have some important news to share. On Monday, the TQQQ ETF experienced a red day, losing 2.85% of its value. Specifically, the TQQQ ETF price dropped from $44.24 to $42.98 on December 4, 2023. Throughout the trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $41.73 and a high of $43.07, representing a 3.22% range. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of 0.42%. Notably, volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices. This could potentially serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, a total of 90 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.85 billion. Let's take a look at the TQQQ ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $47.14, while the lowest price reached $16.10. Currently, the price is 8.82%, equivalent to $4.16, below the 52-week high and 77.48%, equivalent to $147.90, below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 3.85% decrease. This suggests that the ETF may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning that the ETF should be closely monitored. However, there are also some positive signals that may influence its short-term development. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal, but the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $43.99. Conversely, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $39.16. A break through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. In this video, I'll share with you some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. The moving average convergence divergence is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal that occurred 27 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 23 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 19 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. If you're interested in finding more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's talk about the support levels for TQQQ. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $35.70 and $34.47. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for TQQQ are at $35.70, $34.47, and $32.77. Now, let's discuss the risk associated with this ETF. TQQQ has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.34, representing a 3.22% fluctuation between the high and low points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.26%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $43.06. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, you might want to consider this level for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the market is moving downwards, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point for traders expecting a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $41.46, which represents a decrease of 3.55%. This ETF exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 9 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good investment? While several signals and indicators suggest a negative outlook in the short term, we believe there is a potential buying opportunity at the current level. Over the course of the next 3 months, we anticipate the price to increase. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements in the market, our systems have determined that the current price of TQQQ is overvalued. On Tuesday, December 5th, we expect TQQQ to open lower by $0.385, starting trading at $42.59. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Have a fantastic day from all of us at Stock Invest.